Okay, we're going to be integrating two trigonometric functions today. So first we're going to integrate sine squared x dx, and then we're going to integrate sine 4x dx. So first let's do the easier one, the sine squared. So integration of sine squared x dx. We can replace this sine squared with sine squared x equals 1 minus cos 2x on 2. So this is just a trigonometric identity that is really worth remembering. I'll write the cos one as well. I just remember them by a sine having a negative because it's not the same as cos, and cos has a positive because it's the same as cos. I don't know, that's just how I remember it, because sine doesn't like cos and cos likes cos. So that's just how I remember it. So we're going to take this right hand side and substitute it in replacement of the sine squared x. So we'll go integration 1 minus cos 2x on 2 dx. And we know that this half can actually be taken out of the integral. So we've got half integral 1 minus cos 2x dx. And then we can integrate this expression. So that integrated is half, integration of 1 is x, integration of cos 2 theta, just have to remember, is sine. So it'll be minus sine 2x on 2. Yep, plus c. So our final answer will be x on 2 minus sine 2x on 4 plus c. So all I've done is brought the half in. So that's the integration of sine squared x. Now we'll integrate sine to the 4x. So integration sine to the 4x dx. So we know that sine to the 4x is integration sine squared x squared dx. And if we all remember, this is the same as integration. Instead of having the sine squared in here, we're going to do 1 minus cos 2 theta on 2. So this will be 1 minus cos 2 theta, or 2x, sorry, on 2 squared dx. I always say theta because that's just how I remember the formula. So then we can actually expand this. So this is going to be the integration of 1 minus cos 2x squared divided by 2 squared dx. And this is the same as 1 on 4. We're going to pull out this 2 squared, which is 1 on 4. Integration 1 minus cos 2x squared dx. And I'm going to grab another piece of paper. So I'll move that up there. Like that. And we need to expand this. So this is just a binomial expansion. So this expanded is 1 squared minus 2 times 1 times cos 2x plus cos 2x squared dx with the integral. Sorry. Okay, and then we need just to evaluate this. So this is 1 on 4. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of cos 2x is sine 2x on 2. So this is just minus 2 times sine 2x divided by 2. So I'll get another colour. So that bit is from that. That bit is from there. Just to make that a bit clearer, and the 1 just disappeared. And then the integration of cos 2x squared, we need to work that out. So we can pull this out first. So it'll be that plus 1 on 4 integration cos 2x squared dx. Okay. So all I've done is, when we have an integration with multiple things and then minusing and plussing, we can actually split them up into different integrals. So we can have a 1 on 4 integration of 1 squared dx minus 1 on 4 integration of this middle one plus 1 on 4 integration of this last one. So all I've done is evaluated the first two, this one and this one, and then put the integration on the last one to be evaluated yet. Because we need to actually work this out explicitly. So if we go back to what we did, covering up that because we've already done it, we need to evaluate this integral. So remember cos squared x and this, they look quite similar. They've both got the squared and the cos. The only thing different is the 2x and this one's an x, but that's okay. So we'll put plus 1 on 4 because that doesn't change. Integration. Instead of a 2x, instead of the x, we're going to put a 2x. So it's going to be 1 plus cos 4x now, because there's a 2 here instead of just the 1x, divided by 2 dx. Okay. And then that's actually evaluatable. So we're going to put what we've already got out here, x minus 2. Oh, look here. The 2 and the 2 will go. 2 and the 2. They'll cancel out. So it'll just be minus sine 2x plus the 1 on 4 integration of 1 plus cos 4x on 2 dx. Then we can evaluate finally. So we've still got that out the front. Closing bracket there. Plus, this will be a 1 on 8, because it'll be a 4 times a 2 on the denominator. 1 on 8, x plus sine 4x divided by 4 plus c. So that's the final answer. I hope that made sense to everybody. So we can actually simplify this further. So you can pull out and you'll get an x on 4 and an x on 8. So you can actually add those two numbers together. And that's about all you can do to simplify it. So you'll have, what will that be? Let's actually do it. Let's actually simplify it. So we've got x on 4 minus sine 2x on 4 plus x on 8 plus 8 times 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 32, and sine 4x plus c. Yep. And then this and this can go together. So what's that? What's a fourth plus an eighth? It's 8x plus 4x. Sorry, I don't have a calculator on me. On 32. Which is the same as 12x on 32. Minus sine 2x on 4 plus sine 4x on 32 plus c. There we have it.